Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. The 4 Season range from Lina Nail Art is one of my most favourite ranges they do. And in their latest release I was excited to see another. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing 4 Seasons Autumn 03, which I purchased from Nail Art UK. As always, you can find information on where to purchase from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel, thank you. So I have my scraper and my Tiffany Duo clear stamper. I have 5 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto, and I'm going to start with a nude nail tip alongside a dark brown stamping polish. This brickwork image is just fabulous and I can't think of another image like it, and the nude brown and the dark brown work really well together. Now I do want to say I apologise for the blurriness, I didn't realise until editing. For the next swatch I'm going for the large layering design. I'll be using a white nail tip along with 2 different brown stamping polishes. I will start with the light one first for the base layer. Now you might see that the layer didn't quite fully pick up, and for me that doesn't matter because I'll be going over it with a dark brown for the top layer, and it will probably cover up anything that has been missed. I love these leaves, they're very pretty. For the next swatch I'm going to use a red nail tip along with a soft gold stamping polish. When the image is split like this one, I add polish to each side, and this just makes sure that I cover all of it when I scrape. Now you will see that the bottom line, there are little bits and pieces missing here and there. To be fair, I could have removed it and started again, but I actually quite like the effect. Very strange me. For the next swatch I'll be using a light blue nail tip along with a dark blue stamping polish. These raindrops look brilliant and they will really add something different to a weather mani. Now last year I actually did a lot of weather manis, but I'm yet to make one for this year. But I have to say, I think I would probably use this image to create a mani. It's a really beautiful image. For the next swatch I'm going to be using a green nail tip along with 2 different green stamping polishes. I'm going to swatch one of the smaller layering leaf designs. I'll start with the lighter green first, and once I've picked it up I will quickly tidy up any excess that I don't want, and then I'll stamp down, and then I'll use the teal green for the top layer, just repeating the same. Now you could go in and add more line detail to this design and it would really add something extra to it, but it looks great though, and an image that I would definitely use in the future. And then here they are all together, so let's move on to the photo swatches and manis that I've created from Lina Nail Art 4 Seasons Autumn 03. Lina Nail Art 4 Seasons Autumn 03 is another fantastic stamping plate to add to an already amazing range. In total I've taken 40 swatches, which is just amazing. The large layering designs, I've swatched them layered, but I've also done it where I've just swatched the top layer too. There is a real great mix of large and small leaf designs, along with others like the brick wall, the words, the apples and pumpkins. This is a real autumn treat. I have all of the 4 Seasons autumn plates and they are just the best for making some amazing autumnal manis. You can find a link to my Lina playlist in the description box below, where you'll find all of the 4 Seasons swatch review videos. For all of the swatches I've just used the Tiffany Duo clear stamper, even for the smaller designs. Sometimes I don't like to keep switching between stampers, but the Tiffany still works really well on Lina plates. So one thing I do want to say is I got a little confused with two of the small leaf designs on the bottom of Autumn 03. There are some layering and some are not, which is great, adds a real mix. But there was two that is just open space and I was like, okay, let's find the top layer. And I couldn't. So I don't know whether I might add some lines to them or not. I love having seasonal stamping plates in my collection. They really are great for creating a relatively quick mani design. Just like the last two Lina plates, I've created two manis from Autumn 03 and I'm excited to create more and also to create one using all three of the autumn plates. There really is some stunning designs and I'm so happy with how they've all swatched. They really do look very, very beautiful. And I can't wait to see if they bring out an Winter 03 and a Spring 03, as they will be another two plates that get added to my collection. So for the first mani, I wanted to do a layering design, so I used a green gel polish which was featured in my recent Blue Sky swatch review, and I used two different green stamping polishes, and I just repeated the design over each nail a few times. I love doing this sort of mani and I really like this one. You could even wear this in spring. For the second mani, I used a colour shifting nail polish, a fuchsia pink with a gold shift, and I've stamped in a rose gold stamping polish. I've used two different images to create this mani, which I just love. The colouring is just fantastic and I would do this mani all over again. It's very simple but so elegant. I think this is going to be very popular on my Instagram. Now, if you don't follow me on my Instagram, you may not know, but I've run out of space in my storage. So the time has come to do a destash. In the description box below, you can find the link for GSN_destash. At the moment, it is just stamping plates, but I have so much more to add. I can ship worldwide, so if you fancy having a look, head on over. If you don't have Instagram, still click on the link. You are able to view all posts and then just email me, and that can also be found in the description box below. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the manis and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I would really appreciate it. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Lina Nail Art's Four Seasons Autumn 03. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.